Welcome to our video on idioms. Today, we'll be exploring what idioms are, how to understand them, and some common examples that you'll often hear in everyday English. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you get a better grasp of these interesting phrases. Let's dive in. What are idioms? An idiom is a phrase where the meaning is hard to figure out just by looking at the individual words. For example, it's hard to guess what bite the bullet means without some context. For example, he had to bite the bullet and take the difficult exam. Bite the bullet means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been avoiding. Here are more examples. She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Let the cat out of the bag. It means reveal a secret by mistake. He was caught red-handed taking money from the cash register. Caught red-handed means caught in the act of doing something wrong. Not all idioms are hard to guess. Some phrases are easier to understand and are still called idioms because they have a fixed form. For example, she kept her fingers crossed for good luck. Keep your fingers crossed. Hope for good luck or a good outcome. I visit my grandmother once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. If push comes to shove, I'll have to find another job. If push comes to shove means if the situation becomes critical or difficult. Most idioms have a fixed form. For example, if someone spills the beans, it means they reveal a secret. The idiom is spill the beans, not spill the bean. But sometimes alternative words are possible. For example, are you coming to the party? Then you say, that depends. Or, it depends. That or it depends is used to say you are not sure because other things need to be considered. I would keep or steer away from that topic or from the topic. It's sensitive. Keep or steer away from something or somebody is used to avoid something or somebody because they might cause problems. Why on earth are you laughing? This is serious. Or where on earth did she go? She disappeared. Why, how, where, who, etc. on earth is used to emphasize a question when you are angry or surprised or cannot think of an obvious answer. Sometimes extra words can be added to an idiom to change the emphasis. For example, she was feeling really down, so I decided to stay and cheer her up. Feel down or get down, it means feel sad or upset. And the word really here means very. So feeling really down means she was very sad. It makes perfect sense to buy now while houses are cheap. Make sense means be a practical and logical thing to do. And the word perfect adds emphasis, meaning it is a very good idea. Dictionaries show when idioms are particularly informal. In this video, informal and also the dictionaries show the informal idioms as INF. For example, why are you so late? Spill the beans. And then you check dictionary and the dictionary says spill the beans is INF. So it's informal. Now let's look at some more examples. For example, I had to go the extra mile to finish the project on time. Go the extra mile, which is informal, means make a special effort to achieve something. To sum up, idioms are phrases often hard to understand out of context. Number 2, usually have a fixed form. And number 3, idioms are very common in spoken English and many are informal. Thank you for watching our video on idioms. We hope you now have a better understanding of what idioms are and how to use them. Don't forget to practice these phrases in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.